Today we're going to learn about memory and registers.
You walk into a bank and would like to withdraw some cash. You walk up to a cashier, give your details, and request assistance. If you ask for a small amount of money, let's say $100 or less, there's a high chance the cashier has enough cash and can hand it over right away. If you request an exceptionally large amount, let's say a couple of $1 million, the cashier won't have it readily available at the counter. The cash counter only holds a limited amount of money, so the cashier will have to ask you to wait. The cashier goes to the vault to get the money and hand it over to you. In this case, the cashier is like our processor. The registers at the counter are just like the registers on our processor. They hold a limited amount of data, whereas the vault, just like our RAM, holds all the bulk data and the programs. Our register holds temporary results such as results of an arithmetic operation, maybe an addition, subtraction, and so on. It holds the addresses of values in the memory. It also holds the state of the processor and the return values. Whereas the memory stores all the bulk data such as the integer variables, strings, arrays, and the program that we would like to execute on the processor.
That is the difference between the registers on the processor and the memory. See you all in the next video. Bye.